Can you imagine a battlefield where soldiers don't have to risk their lives to complete dangerous missions? A world where heavy lifting doesn't mean career-ending injuries? A future where rescuing wounded warriors doesn't put more lives at risk? Well, we are there already. The US military is revolutionizing warfare with an army of robots, each designed for specific missions that keep our soldiers safe while maximizing their effectiveness. Let's look at the top 9 most impressive military robots that are changing the game. Coming in at number 9, meet the Sarcos Guardian XO, a powered exoskeleton that's basically turning regular soldiers into Iron Man, minus the flashy armor. This isn't just any exoskeleton, it's a full-body robotic suit that lets you lift 200 pounds while feeling like you're only lifting 10. Tasks that would normally require multiple people or heavy machinery can now be done by a single person wearing this suit. The Guardian XO uses sophisticated force sensors to detect every tiny movement you make and then amplifies it, all while keeping the experience natural and intuitive. What's really impressive is how practical they've made it. It takes just seconds to put on or take off, and new users can learn to use it in minutes. With a runtime of 2 hours on a single charge and hot swappable batteries, it can keep going all day long. The military is renting them for $100,000 per year, showing just how valuable this technology is becoming. For number 8, we've got the famous BigDog by Boston Dynamics. This mechanical quadruped was a game changer when it first appeared, looking like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Standing 2.5 feet tall and weighing 240 pounds, BigDog was designed to be the ultimate mechanical pack mule capable of carrying up to 340 pounds of equipment across terrain too rough for conventional vehicles. What made BigDog revolutionary was its ability to maintain balance even when pushed or walking on ice, thanks to its sophisticated control system and hydraulic actuation system. Powered by a go-kart engine that sounds like an angry swarm of bees, BigDog could run at 4 miles per hour, climb slopes up to 35 degrees, and navigate through rubble or snow. Though the project was eventually shelved because its noisy engine wasn't suitable for combat, BigDog paved the way for a new generation of legged military robots. Number 7 brings us Eagle Prime, the heavyweight champion of combat robots. And when I say heavyweight, I mean it. Created by Megabots Inc., this is what happens when you combine American engineering with the childhood dream of giant fighting robots. Standing 16 feet tall and weighing in at 12 tons, Eagle Prime is a pilot-operated beast that looks like something straight out of Pacific Rim. But here's the crazy part. It actually works. This monster can lift cars and crush just about anything in its path, and it does it with style. We're talking about a machine with an arsenal that would make any military engineer drool, a massive hydraulic claw that can crush metal like paper, a high-torque drill that can bore through concrete, and get this, a 6-inch double-barrel pneumatic cannon. All of this is powered by a 430-horsepower V8 Corvette engine, the same kind of power plant you'd find in a high-performance sports car, except this one's pushing hydraulic fluid instead of burning rubber. Inside the cockpit, 2 pilots work in tandem. One drives, while the other controls the weapon systems. While it may be slower than other military robots, its raw power is unmatched. It can throw cars down the street like toys and slice through metal with its 5-foot chainsaw attachment. Taking the 6th spot is the FLIR Kobra robot, a rugged powerhouse designed for some of the military's most dangerous missions. Forget about your average remote-controlled vehicle. It's a sophisticated robot that can handle everything from explosive ordnance disposal to chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, and explosive detection. What sets Kobra apart is its incredible strength-to-mobility ratio. At less than 250 kilograms, it's light enough to be transported easily, but strong enough to lift heavy objects with its extended reach of nearly 4 meters. The robot can climb stairs, surmount Jersey barriers, and navigate rough terrain while carrying substantial payloads. Its advanced camera systems, including HD cameras with wide-angle visual and thermal capabilities, make it an invaluable tool for reconnaissance and threat assessment. In 5th place, the T360M2M robot shows us what happens when you combine raw firepower with brilliant engineering simplicity. You've got the legendary M2.50 caliber machine gun, a weapon so powerful it can punch through light armor, mounted on a remote-controlled platform that weighs just 80 pounds. That's where the real genius comes in. See, when you fire a weapon this powerful, you've got to deal with massive recoil forces. Most engineers would throw complex, expensive technology at this problem, using the same kind of recoil systems you'd find in heavy artillery. However, the team behind the T360 took a totally different approach. They looked at your everyday car suspension, you know, the thing that keeps your ride smooth over bumpy roads, and adapted that technology for their robot. The result? A system that's not just cheaper to build, but actually more reliable in the field. A single operator can control this beast from the length of 3 football fields away, with the kind of precision you'd expect from a video game. They've got complete control over where it moves, where it aims, and what it sees through its array of cameras. But my favorite part? This thing is like a high-tech Lego set. One person can take it off a Humvee, stick it on a helicopter, move it to a boat, or set it up as a standalone unit in just 3 minutes flat. No tools needed, no team of engineers required. That's the kind of flexibility that can make all the difference in a combat situation where every second counts. Taking the 4th position is the Battlefield Extraction Assist Robot, a literal lifesaver on the battlefield. Standing 6 feet tall, this humanoid robot was specifically designed to rescue wounded soldiers from dangerous situations without risking additional lives. Bear can lift up to 500 pounds with its hydraulic arms, yet its hands are precise enough to handle something as delicate as an egg without breaking it. What's particularly clever about Bear is its tracked feet and segmented body, allowing it to maintain balance while carrying heavy loads upstairs or across rough terrain. The robot can be controlled through a motion capture glove or a modified rifle grip, letting soldiers direct it naturally without putting down their weapons. To make it less intimidating to injured soldiers, the designers gave it a teddy bear face, a small touch of humanity in a high-tech package. With its steel frame and explosion-resistant components, Bear represents a crucial advancement in battlefield rescue operations. In 3rd place comes the Vision 60 by Ghost Robotics, a quadruped robot that's revolutionizing military surveillance and reconnaissance. Think of it as a mechanical guard dog that never needs to rest. What makes the Vision 60 special is its ability to operate in any weather condition and maintain stability even when its sensors are compromised. Using advanced AI and proprietary blind mode control systems that mimic how mammals move, this robot can navigate complex urban and natural environments with remarkable agility. If it falls, it gets right back up and continues its mission. The Vision 60 can be equipped with various sensors and tools for different missions, from routine security patrols to complex military operations. Its advanced AI integration allows it to make intelligent decisions in real time, while its rugged construction ensures it can handle whatever the battlefield throws at it. Taking the silver medal in 2nd place is the Legged Squad Support System, another quadruped robot, but with a very specific mission: lightening the load for our ground troops. Consider this: today's dismounted warfighters often carry more than 100 pounds of gear, leading to fatigue and reduced combat effectiveness. The LS3 addresses this problem by carrying up to 400 pounds of squad equipment through the same terrain the soldiers traverse. This e-robot can follow squad members autonomously using different modes, like the tight leader-follower, where it mirrors the leader's exact path, or the corridor following, where it has more freedom to choose its route and GPS waypoint navigation. It can even serve as a mobile power source, letting troops recharge their equipment during extended missions. The LS3 represents a perfect blend of autonomous capability and practical military utility. And finally, in 1st place, we have the TALON tactical robot, the most battle-proven platform in our lineup. Since its introduction in 2000, over 4,000 TALON robots have been deployed worldwide, from ground zero after 9/11 to the battlefields of Iraq and Afghanistan. What makes TALON the champion is its incredible versatility and proven track record. This tracked robot can be configured for an amazing variety of missions: explosive ordnance disposal, hazmat operations, reconnaissance, communications, and even special weapons operations. It can climb stairs at up to 43 degrees, navigate through rock piles, and operate in all weather conditions. The latest version, TALON 6, features a high-mobility design with a narrower chassis for accessing tight spaces, coupled with a longer reach and more degrees of freedom in its manipulator arm. It can be controlled from up to 800 meters away through radio signals or up to 300 meters through fiber optic cables. With up to 7 cameras, including infrared and thermal options, TALON provides operators with comprehensive situational awareness while keeping them safely out of harm's way. And these were the 9 most impressive military robots that are revolutionizing modern warfare. But hey, this is just the beginning. Stay updated on the latest tech by subscribing and turning on notifications. See you there.